Hello, my name is Sean Awesome and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Okay, your toys from Come to Life in the Toy Story movies, but like Andy, you never see them when they're moving. Yeah, sure. Minority, only 46%. You can be invisible anytime you want, but you can't have any children. I can still adopt. Aha! Loophole. Ha ha! Loophole. Ha ha! I definitely want a child, so become a godlike being with superpowers, but have another godlike being try to kill you. Sure, I mean, what's life without competition and rivalries? You and your friends have the ability to play any songs on any instruments, but each time you play a song, you are hit in the head by a brick going at 30 miles per hour. What then? You won't be able to play instruments for very long because that's a kind of speed that would kill you, or at least concuss you. Oh, what did I do that? I didn't wanna do that. Only 27% press the button. You get the ability to heal, but only heal people you don't feel close with. No. 66% of people want the earth to become overpopulated. Spitting everywhere. Okay. You have unparalleled mental abilities far beyond the limits of the human brain, but the drain on your body will leave you paralyzed. So, pretty much, that the bad guy from The Flash this season. Yeah. telekinetics, bitch. You get 3 gigabyte internet access anywhere in the world, but anyone in the world can see you, everything you do online. Sure, I mean, everybody, the NSA knows anyway. You get warped 1,000 years into the future with a storage device in of your choice, but there is no backward compatibility space or compatibility, since Apple made their codes a dominant use. Nobody stored anime from 1,000 years ago. I told you, Apple is evil. You would be able to fly and your skin would be made of Kevlar. But Earth had a zombie outbreak. No. I'm happy with the way things are. You will be successful in everything you do, but you can never have children. Loophole. But what if I wanted to have children? This thing is messed up. Yeah. Yeah! 69%. Press the button. You can read anyone's thoughts at will, but your crush can read yours as well. No. I mean, part of the fun of life is never knowing exactly what someone will do or what they think. You can get any movie streamed into your brain at any time, but you go into a comatose state for the entirety of the movie and can't pause it to move. That's no problem. I just stream movies while I go to sleep. Wait, but I have dreams for that. But, sure I do it. Yeah! 58% press the button. You could live in a Pokemon world, but you could never own one. What about two? Huh? 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 I can own two Pokemon. Or I can be the Pokemon Master. Oh, what did I push that? I meant to press the button. Your words make everyone love and respect you, but you can't talk to people until they touch your genitals. Okay, well, I'd be more than willing to allow people to feel my genitals for academic purposes, of course, but yeah, I'd just do that. This is funny. 43%. Only 43% press the button. You can live in your dream house and live with your dream partner, but you live with him or her alone on a desert island and it rains forever. I need more people. Peoples make me happy. Variety. You're able to change appearance at will, but the process is extremely painful and will take 10 minutes. I'm able to, but I don't have to, so I like having the option. Woohoo! 71%. Press the button. Okay, last one. You become rich and famous, but you give to people in need. Sure. I mean, that would only make me more famous. Oh my god, I think that's the most I've ever seen. 91%. Press the button. Okay, well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. I'm leaving on hiatus at the end of the month, But don't worry, I'll be back in. I should be back in March. And I'll be back to making videos. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.